Welcome to the tutorial of gas software. In this tutorial, we'll see how to create entry in purchase. Option data entry, option purchase. But before creating purchase transaction, we have to first create TCS account by selecting option masters option account. Now I have already created this TCS account here and selected under group duties and taxes. How to create TCS account and add it in purchase is shown in a different tutorial. You are requested to kindly refer to that tutorial before you start the tutorial of creating purchase. Now we go to purchase, new button. Before starting purchase, we need two things. One is the invoice and second is the calculator. So the date of the invoice is 11th December 2020. I change this date accordingly. If the load is received on the subsequent day, say for example 12th, I change the receive date to 12th. Thereafter, I enter the invoice number in the bill number field. You see this checkbox of LPG purchase. I click this and here appears various types of cylinder. If you see in this invoice, the number of cylinders is 14.2 kg, 306 cylinders. I input this 306 cylinders. You will see these empty return cylinders of 306 appearing automatically. In case if they are different, you are returning a different number of cylinders, then you have to change this accordingly. And if it's a one-way load, then you have to change it to 0. However, in this example, we are returning all 306 empty cylinders and say click save. And here it appears on the purchase page 306 cylinders. Now I select the party as BPCL and now I proceed to enter the rate. Now if I refer the invoice, the rate mentioned over is 522.63, which is not completely correct because this is arrived from the taxable value, but in BPCL invoice the delivery charges are also shown separately in the invoice. So I use a calculator to calculate the actual charges per cylinder. So I first enter the taxable value 159,923.82. Thereafter I add the delivery charges 12913.20. The total comes to 172,837.02 and I divide this amount by 306 cylinders, which gives me a per cylinder rate of 564.8268, etc. I copy this rate up to 4 decimal places and I hit here in the rate field. Enter key. I press till the cursor comes down to the net amount. Thereafter, I have to add the TCS amount. You see this on the left hand side, this green plus symbol, left hand side bottom. You click this. You also see this 3 dots. You click this. It takes you to a different page. In accounts, you have to select TCS. the account which we have already created. You click OK, OK twice. You come back to this page and you press enter key. A pop-up window of enter amount emerges. You click OK. It takes you to the amount field. So where you put that 136 rupees of TCS, where you enter the, you say enter till the time the cursor comes to the net amount. Now this net amount 181615 tallies with the net amount of the invoice 181615. So here the entry of purchase is complete. But however, if you don't want to calculate every time this amount, you can go to item master, that is option master, option item, modify key, double click 4.2 kg cylinder and enter this rate and save it. If you do this, then next time onwards, whenever you are making a purchase entry, it will automatically pick up this rate. This rate needs to be changed whenever there is a future change in the rate, which is generally on 1st of the month. Now we save this purchase page, and if you want to see how this entry has registered, you go to option sales purchase stock report purchase register and say show report. Now this is how the entry has come, where you can also see the TCS amount of 136 rupees. Well, with this we are through with the tutorial of purchase, making the entry in purchase. Thanks for your time.